welcome back to our channel. Today's video we're gonna make. Tell them what we're gonna make.
Cake.
We're gonna make an orange pound cake for you guys. So stick around and watch this video to see our recipe and how we make this pound cake. If you aren't already subscribed, please hit that notification bell and that red subscribe button. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and like this video if you like this video, and stick around to see the recipe. Ingredients for this recipe: the orange pound cake. This is 1/4 cup of milk, 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar. This is white sugar granulated, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna use 1 orange, and this is Navel orange. You can go ahead and use whatever orange you want to use, Mandarin. And this is 1 cup of butter, room temperature, and this is 2 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And this is what I'm gonna use for this recipe. First, I'm gonna start by creaming the sugar and the butter. And you want the butter and the sugar to be light and fluffy. You want to cream this until it's nicely combined and light and fluffy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add eggs. I'm gonna add the eggs one by one until they're nicely incorporated. I'm gonna add the eggs gradually until they're nicely incorporated. Nice, look at this. Now this is the right time you want to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. Now I'm gonna zest the orange, and I'm also gonna add some lemon zest to it. And be careful not to add the white part to it because it is bitter. And this zest is gonna give it a nice tangy, nice flavors, nice citrus flavor to it. Gonna make your taste bud wondering, what is this? What is this? I love it. So I got all the zest in there, and I'm gonna add all this zest. I'm gonna add the zest to the mixture. Now I'm gonna add the juice of the lemon. I'm also gonna add the juice of the lime, the orange. So I add the juice of the orange. And I'm also gonna add the juice of the lemon. Half of it. And this is gonna give it a nice citrusy flavor. Now you're gonna get a sieve. You're gonna sieve your flour. You're gonna wanna sift the flour. I'm gonna sift the salt. And we're basically just sifting all the dry ingredients. But I'm not gonna add all the flour at once. I'm gonna give this a nice mix again, and then I'll add the remainder of flour. I'm gonna add the next batch of flour. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the milk and add the vanilla. Now this part is optional. If you want to go ahead and skip it, you can. Now I'm gonna add 2 drops of food coloring to it to give it that nice color. To give it that nice orange color. So as I said before, you can go ahead and skip this part. And I'm gonna give this a taste. Oh my god. So zesty. Oh my god, they say, oh, they believe how this tastes so good. Now I'm gonna spray my baking tin. I have a bun pan. You can go ahead and use a loaf tin. You know, pancake I already making in bun pan and a loaf tin. So now that you got your baking tin all greased, you're gonna go ahead and pour the mixture in. So we're going to clean this up because I don't want any mess. And I'm going to give this a double tap. And now I'm going to add this into the oven and the top shelf for about 45 minutes up to an hour. I'm going to go ahead while the cake is in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and make a glaze. because really, what is pound cake without a glaze? Or so I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze or juice this orange. Okay. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of icing sugar, confectioner sugar, powdered sugar. Now you're gonna go ahead and whisk. If you want something thicker than this, you go on ahead and add more confectioner sugar to it, icing sugar to it. So it all depends upon your liking or how you like it. I went ahead and add some food coloring to it, some orange food coloring, and add 1 tablespoon of the orange zest to it and lemon zest. And this is it. And this is it. And I'm just gonna use this as the glaze. It has been 50 minutes and the cake is done. I'm gonna take this out the oven, and I went ahead and let it cool. To ensure that the cake is baked, you want to insert a toothpick, you want to insert something on it, and whenever you take it out and nothing come off, it is done. And this took me 50 minutes, to bake, and I let it cool for a while, and I'm gonna take it out of the container. When you want to take it out of the container, you want to use a spatula or something to take down the side and take down the middle right here so it don't break. And I'm just gonna turn this over. And this and take it out. So you want to let it cool for a while. You don't want to just take it out as it come out of the oven. You want it cool. And this is my bundt cake. This is my pound lemon orange cake. Smelling so nice, smelling delicious. Should have put it on this top because I'm gonna drizzle. This is it, guys. Coming out beautiful. I love the color, I like the texture, and I like everything about this cake. Smelling nice. And then now I'm gonna drizzle. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle the icing glaze on top. Hopefully I don't make a mess. You want to do this cute and not messy as possible. This was so easy. This was so fun to make. Hope you go ahead and try this at home. And I know you're gonna love it. I know it's gonna taste good. Again, if you aren't already subscribed, if you like this kind of video and you like cooking video, you like baking, you like cooking, you're a food junkie, you like food, please subscribe to this channel. That's where that come from. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Like, share, leave a comment down below. Please leave a comment down below. I like when you guys leave a comment down below. I love the interaction. So just go ahead and leave me a comment down below. You know, you can leave anything. You can leave a recipe, anything. You can leave a dish you want me to prepare. You could just say hi. Could go ahead and just say hi. Just leave me a comment down below and what you think of this cake. If you like this cake, if I did a good job, you know, just tell me what's up. Now I'm gonna call my food critic. I'm gonna call my taste tester. You know, at the end of the video I always do a taste test. So I'm gonna go ahead and call Maya. Maya!
It's not, Mommy.
I'm calling you to do the taste test. You know you always do the taste test for me.
Again?
Oh my god, what? You don't want to taste this beautiful cake? You don't like it?
It's like a donut.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful to you?
It's like a big donut.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And I have a heart. That's like Mama.
Yay!
Like a mama having a house.
Yep, you like it? You like how it look? You like it? Ooh, you wanna eat this cake right now? It's smelling so nice. Oh my god, if you love lemon and you love orange, this is the perfect cake for you. Oh, this is a perfect cake for you guys. And when we're done, we're gonna just clean this up right there. But I'm just letting it dry for a bit. But I'm gonna cut a slice of Maya right now so you can do the taste test. Which slice you want? Where? Where?
There.
Where?
There.
Okay, there. I'll cut there for you. A big slice or a tiny slice? Which one?
A tiny slice with a big slice.
Oh my god. Look at this, Maya.
There.
I'm gonna just take out the slice.
And put it on a plate.
And put it on a plate.
Yep, without strawberries on it.
And there. And I'm just gonna get some whipped cream.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me show them what's going on here.
Oh, that's amazing.
Wait. Let me get some more. Okay, I don't want to do a mess.
Ooh, drizzle.
Yep.
Drizzle for me, okay.
And then I'm gonna go ahead. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put whipped cream. This looks so delicious, right? Where should I put this whipped cream? Right there. Right there. And put some, I don't know where to put. Okay. So.
It's moving.
This is so fun. This is a fun cake to make. And there you have it, guys. My orange cake. My orange pound cake with lemon. Now we're gonna do the true. Taste test. Maya's gonna do the taste test.
Oh, me? Okay.
Ooh, la.
Yeah.
Look at that. Come on. Wait. Here's fork. Or you wanna use your hand?
I'm gonna see. Yum.
What? What it tastes like, the ingredients?
Cake.
That's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna taste it too. Look at this cake. Oh my god. With those simple ingredients. Look at the cake. Oh, you would have thought this was cake mix. Look at the texture. Look at the consistency. Now I'm gonna just try this with some. Damn, this is good, mama. This is good.
My name's Maya.
I know you're Maya. So like, share, leave a comment down below and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.